and we will start our journey to learn about HTML. By the end of this video, we will learn about what is HTML and why it's the backbone of the web. We will learn about the basic structure of HTML document and how to create our first web page. So coming to HTML, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is the structure of web page. Okay, it defines text, images and links in the web page. And coming to the name of the HTML, it means Hypertext Markup Language. So what is hypertext? It refers to the clickable links that navigate between web pages. Coming to markup language, it means it uses tags to mark up and define elements on a web page. That's why it is called markup language. Importance of HTML. Why it is important? Because it is the foundation of web development. It works with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. And it is universally supported by all the browsers. Coming to the version. The current version of HTML is HTML5, launched in 2014, and earlier version was XHTML 1.0, launched in 2000. So the key features of earlier version was, it was a stricter version of HTML 4.01 and it required proper nesting and closing of tags, and that combined XML syntax rules with HTML. Now coming to the latest version, which is HTML5, its key features are, it has added semantic elements like header, footer, article and section, and it has native support for multimedia elements, example audio and video tag, and it has improved form controls with new input types, example date, email, and it has APIs for modern features like geolocation APIs, canvas, local storage. Okay, so now let's create a HTML page. Okay, so now we are creating a index.html. Okay, so this is the boilerplate code of HTML, and here what we will do, let's make the title my first web page. Okay, and here in the body section we will write hi everyone. Okay, paragraph tag, this is my first page, first HTML page. Okay, so now we want to run it in the web page. So let's click on the HTML document and right click it, open with live server. Okay, so it will open it into the web page. This page will get opened in the browser. Okay, so this is our h1 tag, hi everyone. Okay, and this is the paragraph tag, this is my first HTML page. Okay, so coming to the code. So this doc type HTML, what it does, it declares the document type. Okay, and it declares the document type as HTML5. Okay, and this is EN means English, and head tag, it contains the meta information like title, links and scripts. Currently we have title tag. Okay, and in the body section it contains the main content displayed on the web page. Okay, this is the main content that is displayed on the web page, this one. Okay, now we have h1 tags. It is the largest heading used for titles, and this is a paragraph element for text. Okay, so this is the information about the overview of the HTML web page.